Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and I'm back with another video. This is an impromptu video, so that's why I look like this. But you know, we cute, still natural, whatever. Just coming in from Walmart. I went to Walmart, y'all, to buy stuff for tacos. Today is Sunday, and I wanted to just end out the week with something really good. So I was just going to get stuff to make tacos, and end up doing a whole little mini grocery haul here. So I asked on Insta stories if you guys wanted to see it, and you guys said yes. Those who are following me there. If you're not following me on social media, definitely follow me on MissRessaT on all platforms, especially follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, because that's where I'm the most active, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. This week, I am slowly trying to move more and more towards keto, the keto diet, so trying to think fat-wise instead of protein-wise, but I did still get a lot of protein, high-protein stuff, things like that. So, like I said, I'm slowly moving towards that. Right now, I am under 100 carbs. So, right now, I'm still doing high-protein, low-carb. So, I try not to go over 100 is my current goal, and eventually, I'm just going to move that down, cut that to 50, and then cut that to 25 is what I'm trying to do. So yeah, not gonna talk long. Let's go ahead and get into it, because I got a lot of stuff and excuse me, my battery is on the struggle bus. So eggs, of course, I have 18 eggs, because what would you do without eggs? And if I think I said this all from Walmart. I got some grapes. They had these for $1.88 a pound. I got some strawberries. Oh, they smell so good. They had these $2.27 a pound. I got some half and half. They were out of the heavy whipping cream in the big and small one. So I just got this for my coffee, to add some fats in my coffee. I haven't moved all the way over to keto coffee yet. Please leave me comments down below of what sugar substitute that you guys use. Like, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous about that sugar substitute. But let me know what you guys use. I have these pickles. I got these because I noticed I do get headaches now that I'm cutting carbs. I do get headaches, and some sodium really helps. So I keep these as a nice snack. Got me some lemon juice. I use this for my water. For what I went there for, tacos, I got this chunky salsa. I need to put the stuff back in the bag. Alright. I got some ground turkey, which I know I'm supposed to be focusing on fat, so I probably should have got ground beef, but it was so freaking high. Like, I would not buy that out of Walmart. But yeah, I got some Roger Woods. I have been doing bacon. Everybody does bacon on keto, and I love bacon. Don't get me wrong, I don't think I can ever get tired of bacon, but I don't feel like cooking it this week, so I went and got these, even though I still have to cook these, but it's just, you know, it's less work. I got some snack things, because I'm trying to have breakfast, lunch, and all that here in the house. Because I start a new job tomorrow, and I'll be working here from home. So I'm just trying to get things that are quick and easy for me to work from home. So this is not low carb here, because this is on a wrap. But this is just their turkey pinwheel here. I think that's just a nice little snack for $3. I got this cinnamon roll. This is not healthy, but I never have lied. I'm always keep it real. So might as well. I don't lie about stuff like that. I will be enjoying that tonight. I picked up this Smart Food mix. I love popcorn. And last time, well, long time ago, when I lost 26 pounds, like, I ate popcorn every day. That was my only main carb was popcorn. And I like it as a snack. So I went ahead and got this because, like I said, I'm not fully keto yet. I eat some carbs, and I love popcorn, and it's a great snack. So I got broccoli florets. I have the taco shells for my tacos tonight. I got these Fiber One brownie chocolate fudge brownies. Bruh. Follow plus size Barbie. I don't remember the numbers at the end of her thing. I'm gonna have to put it on the screen, but she has lost what, 67 pounds now. So she has some great videos she's been putting out there, and following her on social media also. But she put me onto these Fiber One bars. My sweet tooth is getting a lot better, and you'll realize once you start eating better, your cravings for certain things go away. But I do know a certain time is coming up, and I'm gonna want chocolate, so I got these right here. Once again, those are not low carb, but they're 18 grams of carbs. So that's not too bad if I plan my day out right. Then also for snacks, I got these Slim Jim, nice, quick, fatty snack with some protein. Shrimp. These are medium raw shrimp. I always get raw. I do not get cooked. Bacon. I had to get bacon in some form of fashion, so I can sprinkle this on a salad, sprinkle it in some eggs, or anything like that. In this bag, I have some more produce here. I got 2 avocados, 2 squash, and 2 zucchini. So the zucchini and squash and broccoli will be my vegetables this week. This is an Aldi's bag, but I just put them in here so I can try to carry this stuff. So this is another thing that I got from Plus Size Barbie is these meals here. I didn't even know about this. It's not a meal, it's just the meat. This is from Gordon Simply Baked Salmon. The flavor is roasted garlic and butter. So there's 2 salmons in here, and all I have to do is pop them in the microwave. I love salmon, but for some reason, me cooking salmon is not my specialty. Like, it's not. Okay, so I don't even front. I thought this was great. I couldn't find the tilapia that she eats. But I'm pretty sure it's in the big Walmart. I just went to the neighborhood Walmart. But I went ahead and got these to try. And that's a quick, easy meal. Speaking of more quick, easy meals, I bought 3 of these salads here. These are so freaking good. Oh my gosh. This one got a brown leaf. I always check for that, and I didn't do that today. But this is chicken Caesar salad. These are from Ready Pack Bistro. This one is Santa Fe style. This is like one of my favorites with the corn and the and all these have ranch or Caesar dressing, which is very low carb. And then I got the turkey bacon cob, and this one comes with blue cheese dressing, but I do have some Caesar dressing in here that I'm going to use, or either some ranch here in the house. But more snacks. I got a lot of snack stuff because, you guys, I'm a snacker. That's what I do. I don't really eat meals like that. I snack a lot. So I got this cheese and some pepperoni that I'm going to eat together. I started this last week as a snack with mozzarella cheese and some pepperoni, and it was so good. So I decided to go ahead, and I got that from Dollar Tree, you guys. Dollar Tree has real mozzarella cheese sticks, green cheese, and they sell this pepperoni, and I just randomly picked that up for a snack, and it was great, and I loved it, so I went ahead and bought that in bulk. I have some shredded cheese, of course, for my tacos, and to go on anything else. And is that it? That's everything, I believe, you guys. I already showed you this. This is just my bottle of water that I was carrying along with me. Yeah, guys, that's everything from my grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some ideas of things that you may get. I don't need comments telling me that such and such is processed and blah, 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 blah. I do already know all these things. I am shopping for convenience for my life and my lifestyle. So you guys don't forget that when you're shopping for you, do what's best for you. Okay, we all can't have green vegetables, fresh green broccoli, and all that stuff in our refrigerators. Some of us live different and more realistic lives that we can't go to the grocery store every day, and I don't choose to do that. So that's it. Like I said, if any questions, let me know. Follow me on all my social media networks. I would love for you to comment down below if there's anything that you suggest me to get. There's so much other things I want to get on keto. I've been following recipes. I want to get like almond flour to make keto pancakes, because I am kind of tired of bacon and eggs and avocado for breakfast. So I want to definitely learn how to do that. Please, once again, the sugars, let me know what you use for your sugar substitute. And yeah, until the next video, you guys, I'll be back with a weight loss update soon. I do weigh in every Monday, and it's been going good so far. I've also started intermittent fasting. Currently, it's 12 to 8 is what I am working on. That's what I did last week, and it worked out pretty good. So I'm going to try it again this week. And yeah, I'm going to the gym Monday through Friday. So if you would like to follow that everyday stuff, then check me out on my vlog channel, MissRessaTTV. Until next time I do an update video on here, I'll see you guys later. It's been your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Smooches!